So today's day one of our build, and after doing a little bit of research, I come to the conclusion that I'm not even going to mess with trying to use an impact and a wrench to get these bus seats out. We're just going to go straight for an angle grinder. So we're going to get started.
Did you see that? Daddy's doing it.
So I know it looks like I stood there while Adam did all of the work, and that's because that's exactly what happened. But I'd like to think we were there for emotional support and also the extra footage. Not to mention Blakely was there just to get in the way. She's very good at that. But as you can see, Adam was putting in work. The excitement of that first bus seat coming out.
Junk.
At this point, I decided that maybe I could be of some sort of assistance, and I asked Adam how to use the impact. So he showed me, and you're gonna see here shortly that I failed very miserably, but it did make the process go a little bit quicker for Adam.
Not for me, for us. We're a team in this.
Start over. Here's failed attempt 2. Maybe better luck next time. So here we are, bustling through this. It literally took us like an hour and a half to do this. Just a little extra footage. I imagine that's the part where we found a condom under the seat, and I just had to show Adam. Here's the third attempt. Third time's a charm. That second bolt closest to the seat was the worst. Here we are in the final stretch. I had already removed all of the bolts on the wall, so Adam was just taking out the rest of them and the cleaning process. There was so much trash and just random stuff, but we had to clean up in no time, and we were able to move on to the next steps.
I highly recommend just cutting the heads of the bolts off, especially if you live in a place where you're prone to rust It's so much quicker than trying to get 2 people to run an impact and a wrench below. Just cut the heads off and then you can punch the rest of the bolt all the way through when you're done, and then you're good to go.
Okay, so that's it. So we got the seats out. We ended up, he did the grinding and I did the
Impacting.
yeah, to get all the nuts and stuff loose. So next, what's the plan?
We're gonna have to get the roof panels off, the wall panels off.
So this you said it's gonna take a while though because they're screwed in, they're not riveted. And then bring out the flooring.
We'll take the heaters out, the lines.
Yeah, I'm excited. So I think we got a couple things we got to do this afternoon, and then we're gonna come back and see how much more we can get done this afternoon.
Sounds good.